Hey there, Spanish language learners. I am A.V. Vega. I am the author of Death by Churros, a Spanish language learning murder mystery novel that teaches you Spanish entirely in Spanish. I am learning French, and I came across a really big problem that I'm sure that most of you are coming across. And in this video, I'm going to tell you what I've done, the latest updates to the companion website to my book to address that problem, to help you become fluent a lot quicker. Now, what is the problem? The problem is the audio gap. The gap between language learning audio and authentic audio. So I came across this problem in my journey to learning French. I, like most of us, use language learning audio material. And I got to the point where I felt very confident that I could watch a TV show and understand at least half of the stuff that they were saying, right? So I launched the TV show, and to my surprise, I couldn't understand anything. I mean, it just sounded like one very long word. It was a little disheartening, I gotta admit. But I started the show all over again. I turned on the subtitles. And to my surprise, I actually did understand a lot of those words. In fact, I understood entire phrases. What happened? Well, we do not speak the same way that language learning audio narration does. So when someone does an audio for language learning, they speak very clearly, very slowly, making sure to pronounce all the sounds, which is great. This is fantastic for language learners, and this is what you want as a beginner. Our ears are not trained to pick up on the subtle differences, and not only that, but it helps us understand when one word ends and the next one begins, right? So it's great for beginners. However, when we make that jump to authentic material, we're left hanging. So what I did is I hired a Spanish professional audio narrator, and I told this audio narrator, I said, look, this material is for language learners, but we already have an audiobook that the students get for free. That audiobook is designed for Spanish language learning beginners. Now, what I want you to do is to create an audio narration of the story, but give it an immersive experience and speak like you would be speaking to a native speaker. So now when you launch the companion website, you get two options, as you can see right here on my screen. You have the free version, which is the free one, and that's for beginners. My suggestion is that you always start off with this, listening to this audiobook, and once you feel comfortable that you understand the chapter and the story and everything, make that jump to Adriana Rios, who is a professional audio narrator. That's a premium audiobook that I'm selling for $14.99 on my website. That's going to give you that authentic experience, and it's going to give you a story immersive experience. So now I'm going to play you a sample of the free version, and then I'm going to play you a sample of the premium version so you could see the difference. First is the free version.
No puedo creer que lo hayan secuestrado, dijo Sofía. ¡Maldita sea!, gritó Jessie, enojado. Empezó a caminar hacia la calle. Oye, Jessie, espera, dijo Sofía mientras caminaba a su lado. ¿Qué intentas hacer? ¿No lo escuchaste? Lo van a matar a menos que averigüemos quién es el verdadero asesino. Tengo que forzar a Leticia a que me cuente todo lo que sabe. Estaba a punto de cruzar la calle, pero Sofía se le puso enfrente. Tenemos que mantenernos tranquilos.
And now, the premium version.
No puedo creer que lo hayan secuestrado, dijo Sofía. Maldita sea, gritó Jessie enojado. Empezó a caminar hacia la calle. Oye, Jessie, espera, dijo Sofía mientras caminaba a su lado. ¿Qué intentas hacer? ¿No lo escuchaste? Lo van a matar a menos que averigüemos quién es el verdadero asesino. Tengo que forzar a Leticia a que me cuente todo lo que sabe. Estaba a punto de cruzar la calle, pero Sofía se le puso enfrente. Tenemos que mantenernos tranquilos.
My suggestion is, once you hit chapter 21 or chapter 20, go ahead and launch a TV show like Stranger Things in Spanish with the Spanish subtitles, or even give it a shot without the Spanish subtitles. You'll be surprised how much Spanish you will acquire. So anyways, to fluency and beyond.